In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connections on LinkedIn. If you want to grow your professional network, reaching out to the right people on LinkedIn is a simple and effective place to start. Sending a connection request helps you stay in touch with coworkers, recruiters, classmates, clients, or other professionals in your industry. The process is very quick, but it helps to know exactly where to click and how to make your request feel more personal. To begin, go to LinkedIn and use the search bar at the top of the page to find the person you want to connect with. You can type in their name, and if needed, use details like their company, school, or job title to make sure you're opening the correct profile. Once you find the right person, click on their profile to view it. When you're on their profile, look for the Connect button. If the Connect button is visible, simply click it. This is the fastest way to send a connection request. However, on some profiles, LinkedIn may show a Follow button as the main option instead. If that happens, don't worry. Just click the More button next to Follow and then choose Connect from the drop-down menu. This gives you the same result and allows you to send the request even when Connect is not displayed right away. Before you send the request, LinkedIn may give you the option to add a note. This step is recommended, especially if the person doesn't know you well. Click Add a note and include a short, personalized message. For example, you might mention that you work in the same field, that you share a mutual connection, or that you enjoyed something they posted. Keep the message brief, polite, and professional. A personal note can make your invitation stand out and may improve the chances that the person accepts your request. Once your note is ready, click Send. Your connection request will then be delivered to that person, and all you need to do is wait for them to respond. As a final tip, try to connect with people for a clear professional reason rather than sending too many random requests. A thoughtful, relevant invitation usually creates a better first impression and helps you build a stronger network over time, and that's how to add connections on LinkedIn.